Nestled in Whatcom County, Washington, Ferndale is known for its beautiful Pacific Northwest scenery and ever-changing weather. While residents enjoy the picturesque environment, the weather patterns in Ferndale significantly impact the durability of windows in homes and businesses. Understanding these effects can help homeowners make informed decisions about window maintenance and replacement, ensuring their property remains energy efficient and comfortable year-round. Ferndale's weather patterns, a double-edged sword for windows. Ferndale experiences a mix of cool, wet winters, mild springs, and warm, dry summers. This diversity in climate can be both a boon and a challenge for window durability. Here's how specific weather conditions influence your windows. Rain and humidity. Ferndale's rainy season can take a toll on window frames and seals. Persistent moisture leads to issues like wood rot. Wooden window frames are particularly vulnerable to water infiltration, which can cause them to swell, warp, or rot over time. Seal degradation. Constant exposure to moisture weakens seals, leading to drafts and reduced energy efficiency. Mold and mildew growth. High humidity levels, coupled with condensation on windows, create a breeding ground for mold and mildew, compromising indoor air quality and window longevity. Temperature fluctuation. Ferndale's temperature shifts, especially between day and night, can cause window materials to expand and contract. Over time, this can weaken glass. Frequent expansion and contraction can create stress cracks in window panes, eventually requiring replacement. Damaged frames. Vinyl and aluminum frames may become brittle or warped due to prolonged exposure to fluctuating temperatures. Compromised insulation. Insulated glass units, EGUS, may lose their seal integrity, leading to foggy windows and decreased thermal efficiency. Wind and storm. Strong winds are not uncommon in Ferndale, particularly during stormy seasons. These winds can stress frames and glass. High winds exert pressure on windows, which can lead to cracks or broken panes if they are not adequately reinforced. Debris impact. Flying debris from storms poses a direct threat to window glass, making durable, impact-resistant options a wise investment. Sun exposure. While not as intense as in sunnier climates, Ferndale's summer sun can still affect window performance. UV damage. Prolonged exposure to sunlight can fade window frames and degrade certain materials like vinyl. Heat buildup. South or west-facing windows can amplify indoor heat, especially if they lack proper glazing or UV coatings. How to choose weather-resilient windows in Ferndale. Given the weather challenges, selecting the right windows is critical for maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home. Here are some factors to consider. Material selection. And opt for materials that withstand Ferndale's climate. For instance, vinyl, resistant to moisture and rot, though it may need UV-resistant coatings. Fiberglass, durable against temperature changes and moisture. Composite wood, offers the aesthetic of wood with enhanced durability against water damage. Energy efficiency. Double or triple pane windows with low emissivity, Low-E coatings help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home warm in winter and cool in summer. Look for Energy Star rated products for maximum efficiency. Weatherproofing features ensure your windows have robust seals, weather stripping, and impact-resistant glass to handle Ferndale's windy and rainy conditions. Regular maintenance. Periodic inspections can identify issues before they escalate. Keep an eye out for cracked caulking, warped frames, or condensation between panes, and address these promptly. When to consider window replacement. If your windows are over 15-20 years old or show signs of significant wear, it may be time for a replacement. Upgrading to modern, weather-resistant windows can improve energy efficiency, lowering utility bills. Enhance indoor comfort, regardless of the season. Boost curb appeal and property value. Conclusion. Embracing the challenge. Ferndale's weather may pose challenges, but with the right windows and maintenance strategies, you can protect your home while enjoying the beauty of the Pacific Northwest. By investing in high-quality, weather-resistant windows and addressing issues promptly, you'll ensure your home remains a cozy retreat no matter what the forecast brings.